Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Hakim bin Baharudin. Today I would like to present my final project, a case study. For the table of content, 1.0 Introduction, 2.0 ER diagram, 3.0 Delineation of the boundary for the selected case study, 4.0 Developing a GIS database, 5.0 Conclusion. 1.0 Introduction. In this project required to build a GIS database, a real GIS database from a case study and conduct the relevant geospatial analysis in MapInfo environments such as thematic mapping and query analysis. This project applies the ability in applying GIS technologies for the town and regional planning purpose. To do so, choose a case study of commercial area with 10,000 meter feet as a minimum size. It can be captured through a Google Earth raster image. For the aim, to build a GIS database and make a spatial analysis. Objective 1. Identify relevant tree data entities, spatial data, with the appropriate tree attributes minimum for each. 2. Design an appropriate ER diagram for database which consists of the conceptual model, logical model, and physical model. 3. Conduct 3 basic GIS geospatial analysis. For the scope of study, site location, Pekan Melayu, Kuantan, Pahang. The majority on the site is commercial activity. Other than that, all the commercial activity is a shop lot and there are 3 levels of the shop house. 2.0 ER diagram. ER diagram stands for Entity Relation Diagram, also known as ERD. It's a diagram that displays the relationship of entity set stored in the database. In other words, ER diagram help to explain the logical structure of database. ER diagrams are created based on the 3 basic concepts: entities, attributes, and relationship. Entities are objects or concepts that represent important data. Entities are typically known as a product, customer, location, or promotion. There are 3 types of entities commonly used in entity relationship diagram. Within entity relationship diagrams, relationships are used to document the interaction between 2 entities. Relationships are usually verbs such as assign, associate, or track, and provide useful information that could not be discerned with just entity types. ERD attributes are characteristics of the entity that help users to better understand the database. Attributes are include details of various entities that highlighted in conceptual ER diagram. There are 3 stages or levels. First stage is conceptual model. Second stage is logical model. And the third stage is physical model. 2.1 Conceptual model, entity. Entity is a square box. For the entity, Pekan Melayu Kuantan Commercial Area Database. There are 3 entities. It is boundary, commercial, and road. In logical model, after the conceptual model, entity divide to 3 or 2. The boundary divide to 3. It is state, location, and square meter area. For the commercial, lot number, short name, and activity. And for the road, it's divided to 2, type of road and name of road. 2.3 Physical model. For boundary, state Pahang, location Pekan Melayu Kuantan, area square meter 750 meter. For the commercial, lot number 47, shop name Ikhwan, activity restaurant. Lot number 45, shop name Arifin Pre-Love, activity kedai emas. Lot number 31, shop name El Rah Exclusive Activity Boutique. For the road, type of road and name of road. Service Road, Jalan Putra Square 1. Service Road, Jalan Putra Square 2. Service Road, Jalan Putra Square 3. 3.0 Delineation of boundary for the selected case study. Site selection be chosen because the commercial area located at the middle of Kuantan town. It is surrounded by mall, stadium, park, mosque, and the 5-star hotel. The site name is Pekan Melayu, and total area of the site is 715.3 meter. 4.0 Developing a GIS database. 4.1 Process and stage. First, open MapInfo and open hybrid base map. After that, zoom in until get the site location that be chosen. Number 3, make a boundary 100 times 100. And number 4, and then start digitizing for commercial area and road. After done digitizing, key in all data to the browser. Browser commercial have activity level 1, 2, and 3, shop name, and the lot number. Key in road data. Road have 2 data. It is road name and type of road. 7. Key in boundary data. Boundary data have 3. It's location, state, and area. Number 8. Last, for the photo, we use hot link to insert it. For the title block, go to the layout and open layout and choose title block. And then key in title, legend, name, and university logo. 4.2 GIS Spatial Data Analysis. 4.2.1 What does it? There are 2 subjects of investigation using thematic tools. Is level 1 and level 2 commercial activities. It shows how many shop lots that have activity and what activity that open at that. Where does it locate? The location located at the middle of town Kuantan. It also surrounded by mall, stadium, park, mosque, and a 5-star hotel. The site name is Pekan Melayu and the total area of the site is 715.3 meter. What does it happen? Question 1. How many boutiques they have in commercial area? For the answer is there are 13 boutiques that have been opened in this site area. This is because this site area is nearby with a shopping center. Question 2. How many NA not available? They are in level 2. There are 28 non-available shop lot in level 2. This is because of the floor are up than ground floor, so that not attract much attention. For the question 3, how many not available there are in level 3? It also same for the level 2. There are 28 not available shop lot in level 3. This is because of the floor up than ground floor, so that not attract much attention for the people in the area. 5.0 Conclusion. In conclusion, there are certain problems that have been shown in analysis that must be acted. Besides this project, it teach how to use MapInfo and how to develop GIS database in the site area. They also have new things such as hot link. It is for insert photo from the device. Finally, this is the conclusion that I can make.